Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do a BOXYCHARM makeup tutorial. You guys are gonna see like in the clips after this that where I talk about what is BOXYCHARM and everything like that. But yeah, guys, I'm in love with this look. So yes, and it was really easy. You probably think it was hard. It was really easy. Yes, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you already not. Click that bell icon, that way you can get notifications so when I upload. And I do have my new posting schedule, so I will be uploading videos from now on Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from the hours around 2, 4, and 6. So just be on the lookout on Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays for a new video from moi. So yeah, and if you guys want to see how I got this look, then let's just keep on watching. So today I wanted to do a makeup tutorial using my BOXYCHARM subscription. Yes guys, so this is the July box from BOXYCHARM. So BOXYCHARM is basically like a subscription. You can sign up and get like full products of makeup. Honestly guys, most of my collection has been growing because of BOXYCHARM. And when I say full-size products, they're literally full-size products. So definitely, I believe this is like only $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 products a month, and they're like legit. I definitely recommend you guys to check that out. I posted my box on my Instagram story. If you don't follow me, you guys need to follow me. I'll link all my socials down below, and it's also at the end of every video. So I wanted to do a tutorial using all of the products inside of the box. Each box is different every month. So this box came with a skincare item. So I'm actually just save this for a skincare video I have coming up for you guys, okay? Other than that, I'm gonna use everything else in this box. So I'm gonna just show you guys what it is. A eyeshadow palette by Butter London. So this is what it looks like. And it is the all natural palette. So everything is like vegan, cruelty free, and everything like that. So look at that. Look how that's so pretty. So I'm excited about this. You also get a ALAMARE lip gloss. This is gorgeous. You also get an eyeliner by Apparel, and it's a gel eyeliner, so I bet you it glides on really nicely in the shade Desert Taupe. But you get these Luxie brushes, and you get 3 brushes, and I believe the sticks are made of bamboo, and it's like synthetic brushes. Ooh, they feel so good. You also get a skincare product. It's the Elmis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Ooh. All right, so if you guys are all ready, let's jump right into this tutorial using all these BOXYCHARM goodies from the July box. I hope you guys enjoy this BOXYCHARM makeup tutorial. This, honestly, and guys, I will wear this look out. Like, I like to do looks I will wear out, and I will truly wear this look out. I hope you guys enjoy. It was easy. Like I said, this is a cute, I'm in love with this look. Like, honestly, when I saw that palette, I had a vision, and it was this vision, and I executed perfectly. So that is all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.